Hey everyone, welcome back to Consumer Heaven, where we make choosing the right home essentials a whole lot easier. Today, we're diving into something every kitchen needs, the best blenders of 2025. Whether you're whipping up a creamy soup, crushing ice for a refreshing smoothie, or making homemade sauces, these blenders are built to make your cooking life effortless. This year's lineup brings smarter motors, tougher blades, and easier to clean designs, so you can blend faster, smoother, and smarter than ever. Stay tuned as we count down the top picks that combine power, performance, and everyday convenience. And don't forget, all the Amazon affiliate links are down in the description, so you can grab the latest deals after watching. All right, let's get blending. Number 6. Oster Pro Smoothie Blender. If you love cafe-style smoothies but want to make them right at home, the Oster Pro Smoothie Blender is a total win. Packing 1,200 watts of blending power with 900 watts reserved just for crushing ice, this machine chews through frozen fruit, veggies, and ice like nothing. The 6-cup Boro-class glass jar is thermal shock resistant, so go from piping hot soups to icy drinks without a worry. And that 24-ounce smoothie cup is perfect for blending and heading out the door. Its pulse feature gives you precision for chunky salsas or smooth drinks. Cleanup, a breeze. The removable parts are dishwasher safe. Best for busy smoothie lovers, fitness fans, or families who want quick, consistent results. Why it's great? Professional-grade performance in a durable, easy-to-clean design. Just be patient with super thick mixes. They might need a quick stir for the perfect texture. Number 5. Mueller Smoothie Blender. Compact, stylish, and built for people always on the move, the Mueller Smoothie Blender is a portable powerhouse. Its efficient motor and stainless steel blades handle frozen fruit, nuts, or leafy greens like a champ. The included 15-ounce travel cup lets you blend and sip right from the same container. Just twist on the lid and go. No extra dishes, no mess. It's the kind of blender that fits right into small kitchens, office spaces, or even your gym bag. Best for students, commuters, or anyone living the busy, healthy lifestyle. Why it's great? Sleek, travel-ready, and surprisingly strong for its size. Compact living meets full-power blending. What's not to love? Number 4. Magic Bullet Blender. The Magic Bullet, a true classic for quick everyday blending. It may be compact, but it's incredibly versatile. With 250 watts of power, it chops, whips, grinds, and mixes in seconds. The set comes with multiple cups, lids, and a crossblade, so you can prep everything from smoothies to salsa without swapping equipment. The high-impact plastic cups are lightweight and durable, and the recipe guide gives you tons of creative meal ideas. Cleaning is effortless. Everything's dishwasher safe. Some users note that the cups or blades can wear out over years of heavy use, but for the price and convenience, it's a total winner. Best for small households, students, or anyone who values speed and simplicity. Why it's great? Versatile, space-saving, and perfect for quick snacks or drinks. Number 3. Black & Decker Countertop Blender. Next up, the Black & Decker Countertop Blender, a reliable, everyday performer. This one's all about control. With 12 speed settings plus a pulse option, you get total command over your blend's texture, from chunky soups to smooth fruit purees. Its 6-cup glass jar is sturdy and easy to handle, while the Fusion Blade, a 4-point stainless steel system, ensures even, consistent results. Crushing ice? No problem. Blending frozen berries? Done in seconds. And when you're finished, all parts pop right into the dishwasher. Best for families and home cooks who need versatility without overspending. Why it's great? Dependable performance, solid construction, and an unbeatable price-to-value ratio. Number 2. Ninja Professional Blender. Coming in strong at number 2 is the Ninja Professional Blender, and the name says it all, professional. With a 1,000-watt motor and total crushing technology, this beast pulverizes ice into snow in seconds. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for making large batches of smoothies or frozen drinks for the whole family. The stainless steel blades slice through anything, fruits, veggies, ice, you name it. And just like the others, the pitcher and lid are dishwasher safe. One small caveat, the warranty only covers specific parts, so read the fine print. But performance-wise, it's hard to beat. Best for big families, party hosts, or smoothie addicts who need speed and volume. Why it's great? Sheer power and consistency, making it one of the best blenders for heavy use. Number 1, Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. And topping our list, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. This one blends like a dream thanks to its wave action system, which continuously pulls ingredients down into the stainless steel blades for ultra smooth results. With 700 watts of power and a heat-resistant glass jar, it easily handles hot soups, frozen fruits, and everything in between. It even doubles as a mini food chopper with a 3-cup chopper bowl that's perfect for veggies, herbs, and nuts. The lid includes a pour spout for mess-free serving, and all removable parts are dishwasher safe. Best for home chefs who want blending plus chopping power in one compact design. Why it's number 1? Incredible versatility, strong performance, and reliable smoothness, all at an affordable price. And there you have it, our top picks for the best blenders of 2025. From heavy-duty family machines to sleek portable models, there's something here for everyone, no matter your kitchen size or lifestyle. So, which blender would you pick for your daily smoothies or soups? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear what fits your kitchen best. Don't forget to check the Amazon affiliate links below for updated prices and special deals. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to Consumer Heaven, your go-to place for honest reviews and smart buying tips. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy blending, friends!